As just a quick one about Milwaukee. This battery that I've got in here. See, I've got an X on the back. Because when I plugged it in my charger there, it flashed green and red saying it's broken. So, it says new on there. That one says old. I think that says half. Because when I tried charging all these, that one says broken, green and red flashing. These two only charged to 2 of the lights. So there's 4 lights on there, but these two just showed 2. Thinking that this one was broken, I bought a new one. But when I tried charging it in the old charger, it just showed 2 lights again. And it just stayed red, it didn't go to green fully charged for ages. These Milwaukee things, they're only about 2-year-old, and I don't give them a lot of heavy use. I use them fairly regularly, but I don't work on sites anymore where I'm just constantly using them. Anyway, bought a new charger, and they're all, this is the broken one, and as you can see, 4 lights on it. They've all charged to 4 lights. So it's the charger that's knackered. I've got another battery now, which I don't really mind, but I could have done without buying that. When I got that new battery and it was only charging to 2, I thought, oh no, something wrong with the drill. I thought it must be something wrong with the lights or something inside. But fortunately, I have 2. And it was showing 2 lights on this one as well, so I had that one to work to. Just epoxy charger. So before you throw batteries away, try them in another charger if you can.